Hey everyone, thanks for watching and welcome back. So, as you saw in a previous video, we finally have a shop here at the former Thurmont feed store, soon to be the Thurmont Speed Store Garage, and everything is finally coming together. Lucas's dad is letting us refurbish one of the buildings on the property to use as a garage to work on cars and make videos. It isn't coming cheap though. We had to clean it, fill the cracks, seal the floors, and paint the walls on our own, out of pocket. And we also need to make sure we look after and store a classic car that Lucas's dad plans to buy in the next few months. I'm sorry the footage isn't that great here, but we spent all of our time working to get everything done before Lucas, Blake, and Jackson were set to go out of town to Spain. But I think everything turned out pretty well. We were able to get a few discounts on materials, and we even reused some donated materials like the overhead lights. We actually finished up under budget and ahead of schedule. So, the last few coats of paint, we wanted to add yellow since Lucas really likes the color scheme of yellow and black, and also gray. And I think that made the garage feel a lot more homey, having those personal touches. And of course, without Lucas and his dad, we wouldn't be here, so obviously he gets to choose the color. And sure enough, we finished right on time. We even had time to do our first in-shop oil change before they left for the airport. Again, sorry about this one, guys. We didn't have good audio because the copyrighted music was playing in the background. We were kind of just using Snapchat as we were going, kind of keeping ourselves motivated. But thank you all again for your support. If you could share this video on Facebook or other social media and give us a shout out, that would really help. We're a new car channel trying to grow. Everyone else is about to launch some other social media as well, and we're going to work together to work on Jake's Miata and some other cool products we have. So thanks for watching. Please give us a like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.